everybody, I'm back here again with another unboxing of these headphones, which are basically designed, which my mom got for listening, for her new Blue Yeti mic to go ahead and just listen to what voiceover she's doing. That should be a good enough head start there for the unboxing. And there we go, we got the headphone package, this plastic off. Now it's time to slowly lift off this package. And there we go, everybody. There are the actual headphones, as well as some other stuff. I'm not sure what this stuff is. And this is literally it. So I guess that's it for this video, and as always, peace out.